Hello everyone, welcome back. Here I bring you a very easy recipe of chicken and potatoes meal with very simple and few ingredients. You can use 2 to 3 cups of cubed potatoes, 500 gram of boneless chicken. I have used here chicken thighs, olive oil 2 tablespoons, 2 to 3 teaspoons each of red chili flakes and basil. I have used dry basil here. You can even use fresh basil or any other herbs of your choice. And then salt and pepper as required. Now I assume that potatoes require more salt than the other ingredients, hence I sprinkle salt on chicken and potatoes separately and then only mix them in a bowl. Next you add the rest of the ingredients, that is red chili flakes and the herbs. In this case it is basil. You can add other ingredients like broccoli, mushrooms, and these come out really well. I have tried those as well. After combining all these very well, transfer these into a greased baking pan. I greased my baking pan with a little olive oil itself. Wrap the sides and the bottom of the baking pan with aluminium foil before baking. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius and for 1 hour will be enough. So my kid likes these kind of dishes, and for him I also added a little cheese after around 50 minutes of baking. For this purpose, I pulled out the baking pan out of the oven after around 50-55 minutes and flipped the potatoes and chicken once again, and then only in one part I added a little shredded mozzarella cheese. Then baked again for another 10 to 15 minutes and I had got the outcome like this. See, a delicious meal for both adults and kids. Hope you liked the video and will definitely give it a try. Thank you so much for watching. Please do share and take care. Bye bye.